second day I'm working on it. Last weekend when we dropped everything, tried to remove the axles from the diff, but I fucked up and I started removing the diff bolts first. So the diff was kind of like shaky, and I stripped the bolt. So tried welding a nut to it to get it out, but it didn't penetrate enough, and the nut just like broke off the welds. So today, grinder, and yeah, gonna try and cut this bitch out. I'm gonna hold it. Mr. Videographer today. Hopefully that's enough to get it out. I guess there's only one way to tell, right? Just getting this whole fucking thing out. Yep.
I got an impact.
Yeah, it's sure more impact. I know my impact doesn't fucking do it, but let's try those. So, cut this bitch. Let's see if we can get the axle out. Wish us luck. Alright, so, wow, this is not good. Okay, so, cut into the axle, accidentally cut into the axle. Right there, so, I'm gonna need to buy a new axle. Unless I could get something all welded or something, which just sounds pointless. Might as well just buy a new axle. Got this axle out. The boy got that axle out. So now I'm just gonna remove the diff. This will be much easier to carry all around. And then, yeah, we'll clean out that diff. Go take it to get welded real quick. And then, hopefully by then, Amazon will show up with my tools for my bushings. And we can get this rear end done today. Hopefully get the reinforcements welded later on today as well. Not tomorrow, not a huge deal. Just focusing on this subframe stuff today, so be right back. Alright, so didn't get much done to the car today. Tried to go get a new or used axle at Pick and Pull. Couldn't get it off any of the cars that we found. So that was a fail. I had to order one. And shout out CDMuffler for welding the diff. Sorry, Aaron, if you're watching this. Since I had to order the axle, I had to just cheap out. CDMuffler, great guy for welding. But yeah, so that's it for today's video. Obviously, I got nothing else to going on or whatever. But I'm picking back up tomorrow in the morning. So hopefully tomorrow I can get some progress done. I'm gonna strip, paint on the underbody of the car for the subframe reinforcements, and then see how far I get tomorrow. So if you're watching, thanks again, and we'll see you next time.
When we slide, we stay tapping on doors. Ride on triple chrome, glide on them Vogues. Flip on a nigga around, baby, you in a row. Playing with these drums, cause I got them sticks. Trunk bumping in the street, screwed up with my clique. Let them see how out they gone, out the blicks. Pray to God,